Right, so today I've received this large box. It's just turned up, so I'm going to open it and we'll see what's inside. So I ordered this 2 days ago and it's turned up, and it is the Nintendo Lego set where you build a console and a little TV, and it's quite mechanical as well, where you can crank that and the picture will move and Mario will run up and down the hills as it rotates around. So that's quite a large box. I wasn't too sure how big this was, and it's got here, it is for 18 years plus, and there's over 2,646 pieces to make that. Also, I know, and I'll have to have a look, there's supposed to be, because I spent so much, I got a free Year of the Ox set. Now I don't believe you can buy this, and you can only get it when you purchase so much from Lego at the moment. So it's I don't believe this is a set at all. Although I have seen them being sold online on auction sites for $30 to $60. Although I don't believe that is $60 worth of Lego in that. But it would probably be people were playing more on the fact that you can't buy it, and so classed as rare, and they think it's worth a lot, which I don't really think it is. But anyway, I got this as well. So I'll probably do another video and show you once I've got this all put together and how it looks and how it works. Thanks.